Welcome back. In this module, we'll be taking a look at the real numbers. Now, in the previous lessons, you've taken a look at the rational and the irrational numbers. The real numbers is just the collection of the rational and irrational numbers. But we're going to be taking a look at some properties of the real numbers that you need to know about. For example, the commutative property of the real numbers says that, for example, addition, you can take two numbers and add them together, and then flip the two numbers and get the same result. 3 plus 2 is 5. Flip the numbers around. 2 plus 3 is also equal to 5. But not all operations are commutative. Addition was, but subtraction's not. 3 minus 2 is 1. But flip it around. 2 minus 3, that's negative 1. So, for the properties of the real numbers, you'll see what are these properties and when do those properties hold. I hope you enjoy the lesson.